Hello traders, in this video I'll be reviewing the Prado EA for MT4 and walking through everything provided on its MQL5 Marketplace page, including how it is structured, its trading conditions, and the historical testing context shared by the developer. Before we start, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. Now, looking at the marketplace page, Prado is an expert advisor developed by Tatiana Kuliapina. At the time of this review, it is priced at 500 US dollars with a 1-year rental option available for 250 US dollars. The current version listed is 9.1, updated on November 11th, 2025. From the description, the developer explains that Prado is designed as a safe expert advisor that primarily works with pending orders. It sets stop loss and take profits immediately when trades are placed. And it also includes a multifunctional trailing stop system. Now, one key detail mentioned is that starting from version 7.0, the EA operates with 4 trading strategies running simultaneously. The idea behind this is to smooth out profitability across different market conditions rather than relying on a single approach. It is also clearly stated that Prado does not use grid systems, averaging, or aggressive volume scaling, which are often considered higher risk techniques in automated trading systems. Moving further down, the developer specifies that the EA is designed exclusively for USDJPY. That is an important limitation to note because it means all testing and optimization are centered around a single instrument rather than a multi-pair approach. The minimum deposit requirement is listed at $500, and the recommended environment includes low spread accounts, ideally between 0 and 3 points. Okay. The EA is intended for intraday trading based on trend levels, and the recommended testing setup includes using all ticks on the H1 time frame with one chart. The developer also mentions that settings are optimized based on historical data going back to 2010, which suggests a long-term calibration focus rather than short-term optimization. Now, moving into the EA behavior side, features like trailing stop management and predefined risk control through stop loss and take profit are designed to manage trades after entry, while the multi-strategy structure aims to adapt to different market conditions. As we transition into the backtesting section, it is always important to evaluate systems like this over extended periods. Okay, longer historical testing tends to provide a more complete picture of how an EA behaves across different cycles. I'll still recommend running longer term testing yourself as well so that you can get a more comprehensive understanding of how the EA behaves across different market conditions. All right. Now, let us see what we have provided here in the strategy tester report. This is USDJPY 1 hour time frame, 4th January 2010 to 31st December 2021. We have $100 deposit. This is over 14 point. Okay, this is over $1.4 million in net profit. Total trades 12,844, out of which 5,708 were profitable, giving us a 44.44% win rate. This is 0.25% risk. Okay, sorry, risk 0.25% per strategy, total risk 1%. Okay, so here we have 0.5%, total risk is 2%. It yielded over $2.3 million. Sorry, this is over $23.7 million. Okay, and the win rate is 44.44%. Here we have risk 0.75% per strategy, total risk is 3%. In this case, we had $36.7 million, 44.44% still. Let's head over to our strategy tester so we can see how the Prado EA performed on USDJPY H1 time frame over the past 3 months in 2026. This is March 19th to June 19th. I'm using the every tick modeling. So from here, I can see that initial deposit was $10,000 and the total net profit was 2003.75. Total trades taken were 233, out of which 80 were profitable. So that gave us a 34.33% win rate. And the largest profit was 2,310.35, largest loss 136.7, average profit 202.21, average loss 92.64. This tells me that the risk to reward ratio is good, is actually good. Okay, a little above 1:2. And now let's head over to turn on the visuals so that we can see this EA in action. All right, since the EA is designed specifically for USDJPY and optimized for long-term historical data, I would want to focus on how price behavior interacts with the strategy logic over time rather than short-term performance spikes. Okay, when reviewing historical charts activity and testing results, I would observe how the EA handles trade placement through pending orders, how stop loss and take profits are applied immediately, and how the trading stop system reacts during extended market movements. Okay, here we can see the 4 strategies here. You can see risk percentage equal to this and the lot as well. Then here year 2026, months, 3, week of year, 12, day of week, and day of year. Okay, important info there. All right, so it's also important to interpret the results that we get from the testing strictly as historical testing performance. While they can provide useful insights into system behavior, real world performance will always depend on factors like broker execution, spread conditions, slippage, account setup, and user defined risk settings. Okay, we can also see how the EA is making use of the pending orders, right? You can see the buy stop, the sell stop alongside the stop loss levels accordingly. Pretty interesting, right? So overall, the Prado EA presents itself as a structured MT4 trading system focused on USDJPY using multiple internal strategies, strict risk controls, and long-term historical optimization. As always, independent testing and careful parameter evaluation are essential before considering any live application. So if you found any value in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications for more valuable trading content. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.